Good morning. It is Thursday. We are at downtown Carlisle, 5 North Hanover Street, Birch and Iris. If you haven't been, today's the day. Come down and see me. I am here at 10 to 5 today. I have kind of a lot of things to go over. Again, I just want to do a recap of all of our events coming up. I also have an unboxing. Maybe we'll do the unboxing first, since yesterday I did go over pretty much all of the events. But I'm going to go over them again just as a refresher, or in case you missed my live yesterday and you just didn't want to go back and watch it. I don't know why you wouldn't want to go back and watch it. Like, come on. So first and foremost, let's talk about my shirt, because I love this shirt. If you have not bought this shirt yet, like, look at how cute this is. Like, you could totally wear this to brunch with the girlfriends or just during the day. But I feel like you could also, like, do a casual date night in this shirt. I really love this. It's so feminine and pretty. This is, I have a medium on too, by the way. This is the Lina delicate embroidered lace blouse. It is so beautiful. Like, look at this. I love this shirt. Also, I feel like you could totally unbutton all of these and then you could wear it as like a little cardigan over top of a cute dress as well. I feel like you could do either way with it. But I have a medium on, so I would say it's slightly oversized, definitely more of a relaxed fit. I could have easily done a small in this one as well if I wanted it to be more form-fitted. So if you do want it a little bit more fitted, you could go down a size in this if you wanted to. It does have elastic on the wrists as well at the bottom, so I feel like you could definitely do what I love to do, which is pull it up. I will say though, I think I prefer it down. I don't know, there's something about the sleeve. I like the semi-sheer look to it, like you can kind of see my arm through it. I don't know, there's something about it. Again, I think when it's down, which is really like crazy for me to say, because I almost always do this. If there's anything that has the elastic there, I almost always put it right in my elbow area, and then I kind of like drape it over and make it like a 3/4 sleeve, because typically I don't like it in the way. I also feel like if you're in the hair, like, or any kind of service industry and you wanted to wear this to work, you would definitely want to put it up like that just to keep it out of the way too. So anyways, you could do it either way. I think I still prefer it this way. I think this just looks, I don't know, I like it this way. I mean, I don't hate this. I think you know what it is too, is like, because it's a little bit poofy, and then because this is slightly oversized and it hits kind of like at that same eye level. I don't know, maybe that's what it is, where this is down a little bit more, and I think this looks better. That's just my opinion. You can wear it how you want. Different ways to wear it, right? So, hi Megan, how are you? Is it warm there? Because it is 27 fucking degrees here, and I am over it. Like, I want it to be warm so fucking bad. I was telling my mom on the way into work today, I was like walking around the corner from the back parking lot, and I was like, why does anybody willingly choose to live here? Where the wind hurts my face and it's cold outside and I gotta bundle up and I gotta show off my clothes. Like, come on now. Like, the only thing I get to show off is my coat. I don't know. I miss living in Florida. I know I say it all the time. And you guys are probably like, well, then go the fuck back, right? Maybe one day. Maybe one day I will. High at 58 today. Going to be 30 tonight. What? And the low of 20s? Oh my gosh, that sounds horrible, Megan. But you know what? I would take a few days of that a year, or even like a couple of weeks of that a year, versus what we have here. I love it here otherwise. Because I do, when I lived in Florida, I really, really, really missed spring and fall. Like, especially fall. Like, fall is so beautiful. But then it's so disappointing because it's literally like the prime time of fall is literally like 2, maybe, if you're lucky, 3 weeks. So I wish it was longer. I wish fall was longer and winter was shorter. And I wish spring and summer were longer too. So really, if we could just cut winter down to like 2-3 weeks max, like, and basically just right at Christmas. Basically the month of December, it can be winter, and everything else has to be spring or summer or fall. Anyways, that's enough of my rant. I know you guys get tired of me saying that. But I can't help it. It's just who I am, okay? So this top, I love it. It is on the app. It's on the website too. It's called the Lina Delicate Embroidered Lace Blouse. I think I said that already. But I have a medium on for size reference. And again, it is slightly oversized. It is more of a boxy style. Hence why like I did kind of tuck it just a little bit in the front here on the one side. So I kind of give it a little bit of shape there. I kind of like it like that. You can do what you want with it. Again, I think you could also unbutton this and wear it as like a cardigan over top of any of your sleeveless stuff that you have too, if you want to give it a little bit of a boost and a little bit of cute look to it. And look at this, how pretty this is. I don't know, I just love this top. I think it's just so feminine and pretty. So that one's in the store if you want to come and take a look at it, or if you want to shop it on the website or the app, you can head over there, whichever's easiest for you. We do have a delivery today. So we actually came yesterday, but I'm opening it today, okay? I'm going to open it with you guys. I almost selfishly opened it without you this morning. So I figured we haven't done this in a while because I have been opening a lot of them. I mean, basically all through like Christmas season. No offense, I don't have time. Like I got to get it out. I got to get it open, out, steam tag, in the system, and out for you guys to buy during like our busiest time of the year. So I don't always get to open things with you. We are starting to get our spring stuff in. Doesn't mean it's going to be all like tank tops and t-shirts, okay? It's like early spring, like still like late winter, but we're giving you spring colors, okay? So I still got some sweaters that came in, but think spring because that's where my brain is headed. And if you're like me, basically after Christmas, it is no longer winter. We are moving right on in to spring weather. Even if that means I have to wear really bright colored sweaters, that is what I will do. Look at this strawberry sweater. Oh, it's so cute. I love this so much. Like, look at this. It is so adorable. This is definitely making me feel like I'm just gonna like manifest that spring's gonna come early. That's my theory. So this one comes in small through large. I would say it's probably true to size. This is a large. So I think this one is gonna be a little bit more fitted and more of a true to size feel to it. These will be all out on the floor today. So if you wanna stop by and see those, you can shop them today. I'll have everything out. I should have everything on the app and the website too today. I'm getting a tickle in my throat. Oh, this is really cute. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like little shades of pink in there. It's very, very, very light. So if you're not, like if this is too much pink for you, I get it. Not everybody likes to do the pink. I understand. I'm busting out of my comfort zone for the last couple of years. So I've been doing a lot of bright colors. So I'm actually really excited to style this one. I have pink and red shoes that this is going to look amazing with. So I'm really excited about that one. But if you're not into the bright colors, this will be more up your alley. We've got some neutrals in there with very, very, very light, like right there. That's a little bit of a light pink. It is a knit. You might want to wear like a little bit of a tank or something underneath it, or like a brami. This one is oversized. This is a small. So this one's definitely oversized. I need some water because I can feel the tickle. I'm gonna start coughing. I thought the gum would be a good idea. Apparently not. You guys love the lace tops that we have. Where are they? You guys love these for layering. Again, especially going into early spring. Giving all of your sleeveless stuff some sleeves. And I feel like any of your t-shirts, you could put this under. Overalls, sleeveless dresses, anything like that. We love these for that. And we have quite a few colors right now in the lace ones. However, I saw these And I thought these looked really cute. So I got these ones in too. Oh, look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh. And there's a ton of stretch to these. And I feel like these are a little bit longer than the other ones. I don't know if these are, no, these are size, so small through large. This is a small. They look like pretty true to size. I'd probably definitely do a medium. Small just looks a little too snug for me. So I think I'd definitely do a medium in this one. But look at the print on it. Like, it's so pretty. So this under stuff would be so cute, just kind of peeping out. It does also still have the mock neck up here. And I think it is only small through large, where this brand comes in extra small through extra large. And then I got this one because I figured, again, I know if you're like me, like, I don't know. Again, I'm breaking out of my box a little bit. So I totally would do like hearts and all of the things I think this year for Valentine's Day. But let's just say old me would not have. So I got this in because I thought, like, how cute would this be instead of like all the hearts and stuff? But it has like, you know, I don't know. I feel like it looks like a Valentine's Day colors. And then you could still transition this to wear with other things. And you could put this under to give it like a little bit of pop of design and fun, but without going full-fledged over here. If that's not your thing, it's totally okay. So I got this one in. Again, small through large. This is a large, so definitely I would say true to size. I don't think that they're like oversized by any means. I definitely think they're more of a fitted. They do have stretch to them. I actually feel like these ones are a little bit more substantial. Like there's, I don't know if you can see, but the mesh is definitely tighter on these than obviously like these lace ones. So I think that'll be kind of nice for those as well. So that's that shipment. We have new Artemis denim coming in. I know it just shipped, so I think it'll be here next week. And we have a lot of pole items coming in. If you are looking for more pole items or more inclusive sizing, definitely hit up the website or the app. We have a ton of things to choose from on there, and there's a lot of different size options. If you check out the online exclusive section, it gets shipped directly from our vendors to you. So it just offers another way to have more products and more availability and more sizing that I can offer you than I can offer in the store, because we only have so much room, right? So I want to be able to offer you all of the things, and I handpick and I curate everything that goes on my website and the app. So if you love my style, like, you're still gonna love those too. So definitely go over there and hit those up. I did post some of them in our stories today because I did add a bunch of new stuff, especially there's a lot of pole items on there, so go check those out. I love our pole stuff. Every time we get pole in, it just always sells. But I do have a large shipment of pole coming within the next week or so. So hopefully before Ice Fest. Hopefully before the Sweetheart Stroll. So let's talk about that for a minute. Of course, I think I lost my little sticky note. Hold on, let me look here. Yes, I did not lose it. I haven't. All right, so Sweetheart Stroll is going to be January 31st, 12 to 5. That is a ticketed event. You do have to go to the Facebook event and or Georgie Lou's, which is the one hosting it, downtown Carlisle. It is $10 per couple, so it's really like $5 a person. It doesn't have to be your spouse or significant other. If you want to bring your bestie for the Sweetheart Stroll, do it. Okay, like, there are no rules. Okay, it's just $10 per couple. There's going to be a map of all the participating businesses. The day of, you do have to go to Georgie Lou's first to get a wristband, so that way when you come in, we know you're a part of the Sweetheart Stroll, and you're going to get your extra little thing that we have going on here, which we're definitely doing hot chocolate for the stroll. There's something else I want to do, but I haven't committed to it yet, so that's going to be announced here shortly. I just have to make sure that I can do it. So stay tuned for that. That's January 31st, which is coming up really quickly. 12 to 5 p.m., $10 per couple, and you do need to get the wristband the day of at Georgie Lou's. So go sign up. Register with them. Make sure you're on the list because you do not want to miss it. It's going to be so much fun. Then Ice Fest is literally the next weekend. It's all coming up so fast. Ice Fest is fucking amazing. Like, think of any kind of like Hallmark movie that you've ever seen, and you are like walking through the little town and it feels so magical, and all the lights and just all the people and the hustle and bustle. And I know there's usually horse carriage rides from Benchfield Farms is downtown. That is the Ice Fest. Okay. You do not want to miss the Ice Fest. It is 3 days. It is February 6th, 7th, and 8th. On the 7th, we're going to have Motique here with the charm bar. She's going to be set up in the back here with all of her charms, so you can come in and make your necklaces, bracelets, shoe charms, bag charms, whatever you want to make. That is going to be from 10 to 4 on that Saturday. So again, that is February 6th, 7th, and 8th. Charm bar on the 7th from 10 to 4. And we will have modified hours. And when I say modified, it's actually going to be like longer. Because again, the best time is to come at night. Like, that's my favorite. I don't know. For me personally, I like walking around at night. So we will be open extra late on those days as well. So, and we'll be open that Sunday. So March 7th is the next one I want to talk about. That is us, Carlisle Clothing Curators. I always gotta like really like think about it when I say it. I'm like, I'm not gonna fuck this up this time. So Carlisle Clothing Curators is the 6 boutiques in downtown Carlisle. We got together, we created an event. It is the Sip and Stroll. You buy a bag, which is your ticket. It is $15. You get 15% off at each boutique that day. And you also get a free mocktail or cocktail that day. So it is a pretty sweet deal, just saying. And not to mention, there's 6 of us, okay? So you're going to find something that you love, and I cannot wait for you to do that. You can bring whoever you want to bring with you, but if they want to participate in the discount and the free mocktail or cocktail that day, they do have to buy a bag. So we had our last one, November 8th, completely sold out. Had people the day of asking if anybody had any extra bags. We did not. So you definitely want to get your bag as soon as possible. We do not have bags yet. We're hoping to have them by Ice Fest to sell. So if you're doing Ice Fest, definitely ask us. Doesn't have to be from me. You can buy it from Sanctuary Boutique, Miss Ruth's Time Bomb, Bourbon Cowgirl, The Greatest Gift, and The Clothes Vine, or myself. So all of us will have the bags. You can buy, we'll have a limited amount. So make sure to get it early if you missed it last time. And you keep that bag. So if you did November 8th, you do not have to buy another bag. That's your ticket. You can use your ticket for March 7th. So March 7th, the bag sale with the 6 boutiques is going to be 10 to 4. So don't miss that one. We're going to have a great mocktail and cocktail. I do both. Every store is different. So if another boutique may just do the cocktail or the mocktail, but I'm going to have both for you. So, and I'll have little snacks, of course. I can't have a little drink without something to eat, right? That's my theory anyways. Like, I love to eat. So I'm definitely going to have a little snack for you. Maybe for myself too. Okay. Don't judge me, but come in and see me today. Check out our new arrivals. I will post as soon as they are live on the website or the app. If you want to get first dibs, come into the store today and come try them on, because I can't wait to see them on you. And if you have any questions, or you're shopping online or the app, or you need help with the online exclusives or anything like that, please feel free to reach out. We will get you taken care of. And I hope you have a wonderful Thursday, and I can't wait to see you.